It's that bar right there, but when you push the keys, it doesn't move that bar. So I'm wondering if there's just a little linkage. And when you move that bar, these come up like this. Here, we'll just move it and I'll show you. So I just put my fingers on it down there. That's what needs to happen. Otherwise, this thing works perfect. Snaps in and out of this case perfect. These snaps here, it's in there right now, so you loosen them right both sides. You have to put the camera down, but this pulls right out. This right out. There you can see, comes right out of there, and put it back in. Line it up right. Close the snaps. And we're back in, ready to go. See, the ribbon advances, everything works right. That was caps lock. Oops, you know, they get stuck sometimes when you press on two keys. Works perfect. Ding. Go back, type some more. Now, if that was up, we'll see here. See how I was up. Then you can see there's the type font. So it all works. All the margins work. All the releases work. The shift caps work. Lock. Everything seems to function. These things function. All the margins function. All the switches function well. So there you have it. Just it doesn't raise up the ribbon when you type, which I think it's just a linkage or something that pushes that bar that's back there, because it's active. It'll work, but there's nothing pushing it, and I'm not sure how to repair it. So probably is going to lessen the price. The case all works just fine. Let's do this. Also, that latch, it used to work perfect. I don't know, something like happened to it today. Doesn't work as good as it's supposed to. You just push there to open it. There's a little knob catch, you know, inside of there with a slot in it, right? And then it goes in that hole, and this pushes it over, right? Worked perfect until I can't get it to function right now. I don't know, but I'm not going to take the time to repair it right this second. I can get it to function, but so if you want to have that reduce the price as well, I would totally understand. Otherwise, it's good and in good shape, and everything else works perfect, except for, as I explained, the riser on the ribbon. But the ribbon all advances and all that, and all the letters are there. It all works good. So there you have it.